Everyone is talking about advertising videos and marketing, but when you do it for your business, it gets no sales, and it feels like you are wasting your marketing budget for nothing. And it's all because of one mistake that's stopping you from selling more using your videos. So it's very important to understand these issues and know how to solve them. Hi, I'm Muhammad. I've been making advertising videos for over 15 years now, and I hate it when I make a new video for one of my clients and I see that they don't get any sales from it. It kills me because I know that I have done other work for other clients and they have went out of stock in the first 3 weeks of their advertising campaign. I will show you how you can make your videos work for you, and I guarantee anyone who has experience in video marketing agrees with what I'm about to say. The number one reason why your video doesn't get any sales is because you might have a wrong video in a wrong platform. And let me explain, because I wish I knew this sooner. There are many different types of videos that you need as a business, but you cannot post them all on social media, or you cannot put the video that you have made for social media on your website or like on Amazon, because it doesn't work that way. Each video is made specifically for one platform, and if you have your website video on your social media, obviously it doesn't get any views, and this is this is crucial. Please don't upload your brand story on social media. It might be better for your website or like for any meetings or events that you run, but definitely post things that are engaging and catch viewers' attention and for the new leads on social media, and go all in on that. But please keep every type of video where it's supposed to be. And even if you do that, you might still see that the video is not performing as much. You have made a video for your shopping website and it's not converting as much. And that might happen because it's not answering one of your customers' questions. A video is helpful to make them purchase, and it has to show something in your product or answer some of the questions that your customers have. If it's not doing that, then there is no need for your video on your shopping website. But even if you have done everything correctly so far, you might have one final problem with your video, which is poor execution. And this is very important. Like I tell my clients every time, don't even use a video that you are not 100% satisfied with. If you don't have a video, that's very normal. But if you have a poor one, it hurts more than it helps you. Like if your product looks ugly in the video, or there might be some colors that doesn't match your brand, or even there might be too much transitions and effects on the video. So if that's the case, please don't even use the video. And the way that I work with my clients is I will be with them for 100% of the steps and the progress until they are very happy with the result. And even after that, I will secretly track and monitor how many sales they get after they publish the video, because that way I know I have done a good job. But if you do all of the things that I covered, I'm sure you get a lot of sales, and your customers' questions are getting answered, your product looks amazing, and the video type is the right type for the right platform. And there's no other better way to do video advertising than this. But if you want to know all of the types of videos that you can make right now for your business, go watch this video here. I go in detail about what type should be posted where, and hope it helps, and see you in the next video.